Hello, boys and girls. Can you hear me? Welcome to our first online lesson. I am very glad to see you. Hi, Nur Sultan, Ali, hello. Hello, everyone. Good. Let's continue. Let me introduce myself. My name is Olga Viktorovna. I'm your new English teacher. So let's begin our lesson. So, hello, everyone. Now, a minute. So, let's begin. Welcome back to school. But before we start our lesson, please write down your home task for the next lesson. English Plus 1, workbook, page 4, exercises 1 to 4, and exercises in your class. Please write down. And here you can see your book, English Plus Students Book and English Plus Workbook. And after the lesson, I will give you my email. You will send me your home task. Okay? Good. Let's continue. Today, we are going to talk about a classroom. And you will describe your own class using prepositions of place. So, let's continue. Prepositions of place. Tell me please, what do you know about prepositions? So, what do you know about prepositions? Which prepositions do you know? Can you write me in a chat box? Nothing? Okay, let's see. Prepositions of place. Look at this slide. The ball is behind the box. The ball is in front of the box. The ball is next to the box. Next, between. Yes, you are right, Bermet. You know, under. Good. Aygerim, in. Well, good. Next, above, below, in, on. Good, Ilim, on. And here you also can see prepositions of place. You can say, the dogs are behind the postman. Next one is, the dog is in front of the man. Can you see? Well, next, the dog is next to the bones. Next preposition of place. The bone is between the two dogs. Next, the dog is near the box. Next preposition, above or over. The blue dog is above the fire hydrant. Next, the fire hydrant is below the blue dog. Good. Next, the dog is on their bed. You can see preposition in. We use preposition in. And the last one is which preposition? Can you see here? On the. Yes, you are right. On. Next. Aygerim. Yes, preposition on. You are right. Tell me please, when do we use prepositions? What do you know about prepositions? What do you know about it? Timirhan? Preposition on. Yes, you know it. Okay, good. Next. Now let's see some preposition rules. Prepositions form a small but very important word class. We use prepositions very frequently. In fact, the prepositions to, of, in, for, on, with, at, by, from are all in the top 25 words in English. If you can understand and correctly use prepositions, it will greatly improve your fluency. And remember, there are not many very prepositions. What? Can you see me? Can you hear, Alihan? Okay, good. Next, a preposition must have an object. What does it mean? All prepositions have objects. If a preposition doesn't have an object, it's not a preposition. It's probably an adverb. And now, look at these example sentences. They're in the kitchen. We use preposition in. Please come in. Adverb in has no object. It qualifies come. There was a doorway before me. We use preposition before. Preposition before has object me. I had never seen it before. Adverb before has no object. It qualifies seen. And next, I will call after work. Preposition after has object work. Next, preposition means place before. The name prepositions indicates that a preposition comes before something. Example, I put it in the box. And now, can you give me your own examples using prepositions? Please write your answers. Your own examples with prepositions. So, your own examples. My example is the car was behind the house. Okay, good, Adil. Next one. Please, more examples. So, you have no ideas. Okay, now let's continue. But even when a preposition doesn't come before its object, it's still closely related to its object. What does it mean? Let's see. Who did you talk to? I talked to Jane. We use preposition to. A pronoun following a preposition should be in object form. Ilin, it had to see your screen. You can see my screen? And now, please. Better? Okay. So, if it's a pronoun, it should therefore be in the objective form. Me, her, them. Not subjective form. I, she, they. Examples. This is from my wife and me. That's between him and her. Mary gave it to them. We use prepositions from, between, and to. Next, prepositions forms. Prepositions have no particular form. The majority of prepositions are one-word prepositions, but some are two- or three-word phrases known as complex prepositions. And my question is, what do you know about complex prepositions? Can you tell me? Complex prepositions. No ideas. Okay, let's see. One-word prepositions. Before, into, on. And complex prepositions. According to, but for, in spite of, on account of. And now, to preposition and to infinitive are not the same. And don't confuse infinitive particle to. For example, to sing, to live, with the preposition to London, to me. And now let's see. When do we use to as preposition. I look forward to lunch. We use preposition to. Next, I look forward to seeing you. I look forward to see you. To as infinitive particle. They used to live in Moscow. They love to sing. We use to as infinitive. So, next. The golden preposition rule. A preposition is followed by a noun. It's never followed by a verb. And here you can see prepositions of time, place, and movement. And you should learn by heart these prepositions. Let's see. Prepositions of time. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, in June, in summer. Next, at 8 o'clock, at noon, at midnight, at night. Next preposition. On Friday, on Saturdays, the 18th June, and so on. Next, prepositions of place. In the Middle East, out of his mind, at school, behind the door, under the table, on the floor. Next one, prepositions of movement. From Riyadh to Dammam, on foot, by car, by bus, by taxi, or you can say by train, by bicycle, and so on. Please learn at home these prepositions by heart. Now, next. And here you can see common prepositions. All these prepositions you also should learn by heart. Example, above, about, above, abroad, according to, across, after, against, beneath, beside, besides, between. So, and here you can see other prepositions. Next, in spite of, into, inside, instead of, into, like. Next, till, to, past, per, up, and so on. Please learn by heart at home these common prepositions. And now, do you have any questions about using prepositions? No, Elim? So, let's continue then. Next. And now, Eliza, you don't have questions. Good. Now, look at this picture, please. Now we are going to talk about a classroom. What can you see? Write your answers. What can you see? So, Elim, Zakir, what can you see? Books. Okay, Alexander, good. Bermet? A book, good. Elim, what else? What can you see? Can you describe this classroom? A chair, Kanashai, good. What else, Elim? A clock, good. What else? Maps, where are they? So, next, computer. Yes, it's not just a computer, it's a laptop. You're right, a laptop, a shelf. Okay, good, you're right, Eliza. A board, you can see a board. Good, boys and girls. And now, your task is listen and name all the objects you can see from 1 to 16 in the picture. Now, let's listen these words and write down.
Track 1.2. Starter unit. Vocabulary. Exercise 1. 1. Window.
Write down the words, please.
2. Laptop. 3. CD player. 4. Shelf. 5. DVD. 6. Door. 7. Board. 8. Clock. 9. Poster. 10. Chair. 11. Notebook. 12. Pen. 13. Desk. 14. Dictionary. 15. Ruler. 16. Bag.
Okay, and now let's check. Number 7, what is it? Aygirim. Number 7, what is it? 7. A board. Yes, you are right. Good. 1. Islam. 1. A window. Good. 2. 2. A laptop. Yes, you are right. A laptop. Good. Next, number 4. Number 4. What is it? Number 4. Number 4. No, it's not a DVD. Number 4. A shelf. A shelf. So, next, 10. 10. Number 10. A chair, kanishai. Well. Next, 16. 16. 16. A bag. Yes, you're right. Next, 15. 15. Balkis, a bag. 16. Okay. And 15. A ruler. Yes, you're right. Next, 14. A dictionary. Okay, good. Number 12. 12. What is it? A book? A pen, Islam. Well, good, Kanashai. A pen. You're right. Good. And now let's see. Okay, Balkis, you're right. Next, let's see the right answers. Here you can see the right answers. A window, a laptop, a CD player, and shelf. So, next, go on. Look at the picture again and read the sentences and write true or false, just one word. Example, the poster is near the door. False. Next, the DVD is on the shelf. Is it true or false, Islam? The DVD is on the shelf. Ilim? Is it true or false? That is true. Okay. Next one. The laptop is next to the DVD. The laptop is next to the DVD. False, Kanashai. Good. The shelf is near the poster. The shelf is near the poster. Islam? Is it true or false? That is true. Yes, you're right. Next, the poster is under the clock. Balkis, please write true or false. The poster is under the clock. That is true, Aygirim. Good. Next, the notebook is in the bag. Alimar, the notebook is in the bag. That is false. So, go on. The notebook is in the bag. The notebook is in the bag. Aliyar, false. Yes, it's correct. And the last one is, the door is between the clock and the board. Timirhan, that is true or false? Aliyar, that is true? No. The door. Please look. Where is the door? False. Yes, Aliyar, you are right. That is false. Good. Well done. Good. Now, next task. Let's continue. Now, here you can see and compare your answers. Next, write sentences above the picture with the words in the box. Next to, on, in, under, between, near, poster, board. The poster is next to the board. So next, pen, desk. Please write your answers. Pen, desk. Where is it? The pen is on the desk. Yes, the pen is on the desk. Next, ruler. Bag. Ruler. Please write the whole sentence, Elim. The ruler is in the bag. Good, we use preposition in. Next, CD player, shelf. CD player, shelf. The CD player is, Aygirim. The CD player is, where is it? On the shelf. Good. Next, pen, notebook. Balkis, where is the pen? The pen is on the desk. Yes, you are right. Next, board, clock, and the door. Where is the board? Where is the board? The board is, which preposition you will use? Near. No, it's not correct, near. Where is it? The board. Between what? Between the door and the poster. We use between. And the last one is back, desk. Please, Kanishai, the bag is under the desk. Yes, you are right, Aliyar. Good, you are right. Good. So, do you have any questions about using prepositions? No. Let's continue. Now, and here you can see the right answers. Next, choose the correct preposition. You just write in, to, or at. He went. Number one, he went to. Okay. Next one, he lives. Aliyar, he lives in a small town. Good. I met him in the afternoon. Okay, good. Next, he took something in from at. What? He took something from the drawer. Okay, good. Next, he put the box on the table. Yes, you're right. And the last one is he fell to from into. He fell from the ladder and broke his leg. Yes, you're right. And the next one is, let's continue. Let us hope. What? Let us hope for the best. Good. Next, there is someone at the door. Good. There is a mistake in. I was born in Kerala. Okay, Aliyar. Good. Good job. So next, Samaya is the best girl in their class. Okay. Indians celebrate Independence Day. What? At or in? Please. On the 15th of August. Good, you are right. Good. So, and here you can see and compare your answers. So, you have done a good job. And now, today we have talked about a classroom, and you have done a lot of exercises using prepositions of place. And now our lesson comes to the end. So, do you have any questions, boys and girls? Do you have any questions? Igrim? No. So, other students? Alexander? Do you have any questions? No. And please, don't forget about your home task. Okay? Don't forget about it. Amalia, you don't have questions. So, and now, thank you for your lesson. Also good, thank you. Now, our lesson is over and see you next week. So, Elim, what did you say? Okay, goodbye. Goodbye. If you have any questions, you can write and ask. Naila, do you have any questions? Alexander? No. So, Aliyar? Okay, good.